Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to activate Instagram's sleep mode on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later version. This feature is a fantastic way to minimize distractions and focus when you need to. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Instagram app launched and you're signed into your account. Once you're on your Instagram home screen, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. A menu will slide out from the right. Scroll down through this menu until you find the section labeled How You Use Instagram. Within this section, you'll see an option called Time Management. Go ahead and tap on Time Management. On the Time Management screen, you'll find a couple of key features designed to help you manage your time on the app. To activate sleep mode, select the option that says Sleep Mode. Tap on it to proceed. You're now in the sleep mode settings. To turn on the feature, simply tap the toggle switch next to Sleep Mode. Once the switch is on, you'll see options to set your preferred start time, end time, and the specific days of the week you want sleep mode to be active. Take a moment to configure these settings according to your needs. After you've set your desired schedule, make sure to tap Save at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes. And that's all there is to it. With sleep mode enabled, you will no longer receive notifications during the times you've specified. Additionally, other users will be able to see that you are in sleep mode during these hours. This can be a helpful way to signal your unavailability and stay focused. So there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to activate Instagram's sleep mode on your iPhone running the latest iOS 18 update. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or other Instagram features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.